If you are not cooking your beans like this, then you are doing it the wrong way. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate all your likes, engagements, and comments on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this yummy and delicious beans and fried yam. To make this awesome delicacy, of course we are going to be needing our beans. You can either use the red beans or the white one, whichever one that is available to you. But I'm using a black eyed peed beans here. So you parboil it. I first of all put it in the hot water, then I washed it before turning it back into my pot. After turning it back, I decided to put some chopped onions in it. Then I allowed it to boil for 30 minutes before adding my salt. So after I was done, I left it for more minutes for the beans to become soft and tender before using my masher to mash it up, because I love my beans mashed. Some like their beans in whole, but for this particular one that I'm doing here, I prefer it to be in mashed beans. So while I was done, I proceeded to make my peppered sauce. So for my pepper sauce, I heat up some palm oil, added in some chopped onions, allowed that to saute for a few minutes before going ahead to add my crayfish. So while that is frying, then I added some seasoning cube, because I want the aroma to infuse into the hot oil before going in with my pepper. I went ahead to add my pepper mix, stir it with my spatula, and allow to fry for some minutes before going in with my proteins. At this point, the beans and the pepper sauce is ready, and I thought to myself, why would I eat these beans alone without complementing it with either plantain or fried yam? Then I went into my freezer, took out my frozen yam, add a little bit of salt into it, and then pop it into my hot oil, fried until golden brown, and waited to serve it with my delicious delicacy. Not to forget to tell you that while you are frying your yam, you need to add a little bit of water into the hot oil so that the yam can cook properly, and it will give you that crunchiness from outside and that softness from the inside. So while I was frying your yam, I went ahead with a little bit amount of water so that it will allow my yam to cook a little bit, then it will give it that crunchy taste. So I fried this until it is golden brown, served with my yam, added my peppered sauce on top of it, and everyone loved and enjoyed it. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do by hitting the subscribe button below, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to share with your friends and family. And thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye for now.